In this video, we will look at the Translate tab in WordMorpher. The Translate tab is used to translate Word documents from one language to another. This is useful when you need to prepare document drafts in another language, translate technical documents, internal instructions, templates, reports, or quality system documents. First, open the Translate tab. At the top, choose whether WordMorpher should include subfolders. If Include Subfolders is enabled, WordMorpher will also process documents inside folders within the selected working folder. Next, choose the folder that contains the documents you want to translate. Then choose the source language in the first language dropdown. This is the original language of the documents. In the second language dropdown, choose the target language. This is the language into which the documents will be translated. When the folder and languages are selected, click Translate. WordMorpher processes supported Word documents and creates translated copies. The original documents remain unchanged. The translated files are saved as DOCX files, with the target language added to the file name. For example, if the target language is English, the translated file may be saved within the output file name. During translation, the progress bar shows the current progress. The log area shows which files are being processed and whether the operation was completed successfully. The Translate tab can translate the main document text, and it also supports document areas such as headers and footers. In the internal processing layer, comments, footnotes, and endnotes are also handled. Important: machine translation should always be reviewed before final use. The translation is done sentence by sentence. This can be useful for preserving the document structure, but it may also lose context in some cases. For important documents, always review the translated output manually. If you use the Watch Files tab, you can also translate only selected changed files by using the Translate Selected Changed Files button. After the translation is complete, you can export the log as TXT, CSV, or PDF. Use Clear to remove the current log and prepare the tab for a new operation. The Translate tab is useful for quickly preparing translated drafts, but the final document should always be checked by a person, especially when the document is legal, regulatory, medical, technical, or customer-facing. In the next video, we will look at the Print tab.